This is the revision lecture for physics related to class 9th, and class 9 first chapter completed in previous lectures, and we will solve numerical based on each topic. So first we are just going to solve numerical based on distance and displacement, and here the concept of distance and displacement, as we discussed earlier, the distance means what? Scalar quantity, and displacement means vector quantity. And distance value never becomes zero, always positive. Displacement what? Positive, negative and zero. But when we solve numerical based on distance and displacement, then always remember how the distance and displacement value depends upon the situation. The first numerical here, that is, a body is moving along a circular path of radius r. Solution of this one. Circular path of radius r, and then what will be the distance traveled and displacement covered by the body when it completes half a revolution. Half a revolution means that is, if starting from point A, then after covering distance the body reach to point B. This is the half the distance covered by one revolution. Whenever complete one revolution, that is from A to B and further B to A. So here half a revolution, it means starting from A and up to B. Then total distance equal to, here total distance in one revolution, that is what? If the body covers distance from A to B and further B to A, then will be the circumference, and the circumference value what? 2 pi r, and here indicating that is the half value. So required distance equal to 1 upon 2 into 2 pi r. Radius here capital R, so we use capital R. Then 2 to cancel, that is equal to pi r unit. Whatever unit is given, you will write the same unit. If in kilometer given, then you will write in kilometer. If meter is given, then you will write meter. Then after calculating distance, displacement is equal to a body initially at point A, then after traveling and half of a revolution reached up to point B, then the displacement means the shortest distance between final and initial position. This is the initial, this is the final. So final and initial position, shortest distance, this is r, it is radius, this is also r radius. Then displacement is equal to r plus r is equal to 2r. Clear? Very simple. If the question is changed, that is in a one complete revolution, then the distance will be 2 pi r and displacement will be what? That is initial and final position will coincide, then displacement will be 0. If such questions are, then you can change the value according to requirement. Solution of first numerical, that is very easy. Just listen again. Total distance in one complete revolution, that is circumference, is equal to what? 2 pi r, either small r or capital R, no matter. They are given capital R, then we will write capital R. But here you have to calculate half a revolution. Half a revolution means that is 1 upon 2 of its circumference. So 1 upon 2 into 2 pi r, 2 to cancel, then pi r unit. And displacement, that is shortest distance between initial and final position. This is A, O to A, that is small r, capital R, no matter. And this one also r, so r plus r, that is 2r. This is the displacement. And next, solution of second In second question, what is given? Just listen. If on a round trip you travel 6 kilometer and then arrive back home. Suppose you are starting from point A and your home is at point B. You starting and traveling anyway, no matter. Then reached at point A and then further come back to point B. In question it is given what? If on a round, it means starting from A and reaching up to B and further coming back to A. This is a round trip. You travel 6 kilometers and then arrive back home. What distance you have traveled? Solution of this one question. Here distance means the total distance starting from initial and up to final. Initial up to final from A to B and B to A. The distance here given what? 6 kilometers. Total distance is equal to 6 kilometers. And second terms here, what is your final displacement? Final displacement because initial point and final point, that is at the same position A, then final displacement will be 0. Final displacement equal to 0. Why 0? Because initial and final position are since initial and final position coincide. Solution of either distance calculation or displacement calculation very easy. When the concept is clear, then you can solve out within 2 or 3 lines. Then after second, the third question concept, what is given in third question? You see, a body travels a distance of 3 kilometers towards east. First of all, just see the direction concept. Here this is representing east and this is representing west. This one north and this one south. And we are knowing each directions are inclined at 90-degree angle. And starting condition, a body travels a distance of 3 km towards east. Just see the solution of numerical problem 3. Starting from, suppose, point O and 3 km towards east, it means towards right side, and then 4 km towards north. North here upward, so 4 km towards north, and then finally 9 km towards east. This is the 90-degree angle, and same here 90-degree angle. This is the 9 km towards east. Then you have to calculate what? Total distance traveled and resultant displacement. Now join this O to final point C. Suppose this one is A, this one is B, and this one is C. Now after joining A to C, just check from O to A and A to B, and further from B to C. The total distance, very easy, directly add up all terms. Total distance is equal to 3 km. Distance directly add up, plus 4 km plus 9 km. It is equal to 4 plus 3 or 3 plus 4, 7 and 9, 16 km. And displacement means the shortest distance between initial and final position. Initial position O and final position C. Then calculating this length, we have to draw the OA in forward direction, such like and then draw perpendicular from here to point m. This is also 90 degree, and here this one BC 9 kilometers, so this one also 99. This is the 90 degree angle, and this one will be what, 9 kilometer. So OA and AM total distance 9 plus 3 12 kilometer, and this one 4, so this one also 4 kilometer. Now when we just complete the right angle triangle CMO, then by using Pythagoras theorem, we can calculate the displacement. Here in this problem, distance calculated up to 16 km, and B part, what is the resultant displacement? Resultant displacement, very simple. It is equal to what? OC. OC is equal to square root of OM square plus MC square. OM square plus MC square, and OM means what? It is equal to 12 chi square, and MC means what? 4 chi square. 12 chi square 144, and plus 4 square means 16. That is equal to what? 44 and 16. 44 plus 6, 50, and 10, 60, 160. When we just calculate the square root of this, then will be 12.6. This is the resultant displacement, that is OC. And this one displacement, how calculated? By using Pythagoras. By using Pythagoras theorem. So, if we just remind our previous concept, then how the distance value depends upon displacement value, displacement value how depends upon distance value, we can solve any one numerical based on either distance concept or displacement concept. All these three questions are very important and very conceptual question. When you just understand about the concept of these three questions, then you can solve any one question related to either distance concept or displacement concept. In next lecture, we will discuss about the numerical based on speed and velocity. Thank you.